We all have too many cleaning supplies. You think that with so many tools, cleaning would be a breeze. It's not. Scrubbing the bathtub feels more like a boring and tedious workout. There's always that nook that's impossible to reach. And after hours of back-breaking work with your arsenal of tools, your place still isn't clean. We've got the solution for you. One simple tool that can meet all your cleaning needs. With one click, you can kiss goodbye to all your cleaning woes. Quadruple your efficiency with our latest 31 IBF-in 7.4V 45W powerful motor. Comes with 2 speeds, one for regular messes, one for stubborn stains. It's so simple, you probably don't need instructions, but we've got them just in case. Easily adjust the angle of your brush head. 0 degree, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, bye-bye to bending over backwards. 1 scrubber plus 7 brush heads equals countless places this tool can clean. Our classic round brush was designed to tackle curved surfaces. This tapered brush is the solution to nooks, crannies, and corners. The sponge brush is great for glass. Use the towel brush to wipe those surfaces clean after you've given them a good scrub. Got bigger surfaces? Use the big flat brush. Hair sweeper brush can deeply grab the hair, pet hair, soft paper, etc. in the plush carpet and comb the carpet fluff to make it more fluffy and soft. That's great. And the small flat brush is fantastic for kitchen counter stains and range hoods. You'll get 2 hours of continuous use from a full charge. That's 1.5 hours. Short on time? No problem. A quick 5-minute charge gives you 15 minutes of use. Where do I keep my scrubber and brush heads? Our free custom hook supports up to 15.4 pounds of weight, so just hang them up. Impossibly simple, impossibly efficient. Parrior Alpaka Electric Spin Scrubber, the cleaning tool to rule them all.